Yeah, so where is he from?
He's from Britain.
Yeah, very good.
She's from Vietnam. She's from America. He's from Australia. She's from Singapore. He's from Malaysia. She's from Thailand. She's from Japan.
Very good, thank you. Okay, so this is Ken and his friends, okay? So how old is Ken?
Ken is 9 years old.
Very good, and where is he from?
He's from Thailand.
Good, and what does he like?
He likes swimming.
Good, and this is Sarah. Where's Sarah from?
She's from Singapore.
Very good, and how old is Sarah?
She is 10 years old.
Very good, and what does she like doing?
She likes cooking.
Very good, and this is teacher Miss Linda. Where's she from?
She's from America.
Very good, and this is Alan. Where's he from?
He's from Australia.
Australia, yeah. And how old is he?
He's 10 years old.
Good, and what is his hobby?
He's like
He
drawing.
likes drawing, yeah, very good, thank you. Okay, so can you tell me the daily routines, please? So at 7:30?
It's 7:30.
Yeah, what's that one?
It's 5:50.
Very good.
It's 12.
Yep,
It's 9:15.
very good.
It's 8:45.
Very good.
It's 3:20.
Perfect. Good. Okay, so could you tell me about the daily routine, please? Could you tell me what happens in the daily routine?
Get up.
Yep,
Wash my face.
my face.
Brush my teeth. Have breakfast. Get dressed. Go to school. Have lunch. Have dinner. Do homework.
Homework. Yep,
Go to bed.
go to bed. Very good, thank you. Okay, so can you tell me what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, and what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
Good. What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:15.
Very good. And what time do you normally go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30.
Very good, thank you. Good. And can you tell me, please, on Tuesday, what do you do on Tuesday?
I drawing a picture.
You drawing a picture on Tuesday, good. And on Friday, what do you like to do?
I water the flower.
Water the flowers?
Go water the flower and go to school.
Ah, very good. Thank you very much. Well done. Good. Okay. Yeah. So, could you tell me, please, what's these months of the year? Months of the year. Yep.
January,
Yep.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. Very good. Okay. And can you tell me, please, what drinks are these? What drinks are these? Yeah. What drink is this?
It's music.
Good. What drink's that?
It's lemonade.
Very good. And what about this one?
It's juice.
Very good.
It's water.
Very good. Thank you. And what food and snacks can you see here, please? What are these?
Grapes.
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 Yep.
Pizza.
Pizza. Yep.
Chips.
Yep.
Pasta.
Yep.
Watermelon.
Very good.
Popcorn.
Very good. Well done. Good. And what foods are these, please? What can you see? So what are these?
Candies.
Yeah, candies. What's that one?
A birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Fried chicken.
Very good.
Sausages.
Yes.
Yam.
Very good.
Cake.
Yes. Very good. Okay, and can you tell me, please, about the birthday party? So, what happens at the birthday party? So, when is the birthday party?
My birthday is in May.
May, yeah.
I have a birthday parties at my house. My family and friends come to my parties.
Very good.
I want to eat some fried chicken, birthday cake, and sausages.
Very good.
I want to drink some soda and milk teas.
Very good.
I get many presents from my family and friends.
Good.
We sing a happy birthday song. We play games. We take photos together.
Very good. So it's a nice day, your birthday. Yeah, very good. Well done. Thank you. Very
Thank
good.
you,
Very
teacher.
good.